Okay, welcome students. In this next section, we're solving equations like x squared equals some number, and they call that number p. It can be any number, it can be a perfect square, it can be a non-perfect square, and it can be any type of digits. So as we get into the assignment, you'll be able to see that. So we're basically taking the square root of the right-hand side of that equation. And we're dealing with equations now. We're just not dealing with just a number that we just have to simplify. All the steps are the same as before, though. We're going to take the prime factors if we need to. We'll use 1, I guess we don't use 1, but 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, and 13. Remember that because we're dealing with a square, I need 2 inside, and then 1 come out, and then there'll be some stuff left inside the radical right here that you'll have to simplify. What's nice about this one, we don't have to add anything in the front, okay? And then we just have to simplify whatever's left on the outside. We have to multiply it together, and whatever numbers are left on the inside we have to multiply together. So remember those two ideas. These problems come in two types. You can have a perfect square, and the very first thing you always want to do is just check to see with your calculator. Just take the square root of the number, see if you get a nice whole number out. Okay. The second type is a non-perfect square. And if it's a non-perfect square, what we learned on the last assignment, that's when you have to do the prime factors. Always check for the perfect square by taking the square root. If it fails, then you have to prime factor it. So those are the steps. I would write them down on a piece of paper, and as we do this assignment, we're going to start with doing some in school or Canvas, and that's where we're at right now. Thanks.